Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here, just jumping on really quick to do a little bit of an announcement, because yeah, I'm back. It's a new year, which means some new challenges, right? And this year we have Fanguary, because I've been on a vampire kick lately. And so I thought it would be fun to do a vampire challenge. And if you hear some noise in the background, that is Nico tearing up a plastic bag, because of course I started recording, so shenanigans have to begin. At any rate, it's just gonna be a little mini challenge. It's a 7-day challenge. I'm gonna talk louder, so hopefully it covers up that sound, because we're nothing if not consistently one shot on this channel. And yeah, it's a 7-day challenge. It's gonna start on January 26th. That is a Sunday, and we'll run through the rest of the week, which will be Saturday. And yeah, it's just a little mini challenge, a little bit to get your little piggy toes in the piggy pond of vampire stuff. So dig out all your cool gothic-y fun things, and let's make some vampire crafts. I'm gonna read the prompts because I chose to use Old English again, and I want to avoid what happened in Poevember, where some people read them wrong. So I'm gonna read them with you guys. So for the first day we have the vampire, and day 2 is in the dark. Day 3 is creatures of the night, and day 4 is the blood is the life. And day 5 is innocence, day 6 is the countess, and day 7 is immortal beloved. Interpret those how you will. Have fun with it. I definitely am really looking forward to what you guys make, and I hope you guys have a lot of fun with this one. I'm excited for what I'm gonna do. I have a couple of ideas. I have not done them yet as of this recording. So yeah, we're gonna jump into it. We're gonna have a great time. And like I said, it's a quick little challenge, a little 7-day, a little fun foray that spans from January into the beginning of February, I believe. Fanguary. And I did not put the hashtag on this. It will be on the final copy that you guys will get on the blog, and I don't know what that is yet. So definitely go to my blog. It'll be linked down below so you can get your own prompt list. And I will put the hashtag here in the video after I punch my camera so that you guys know, because I forgot it, gonna be honest. But use that hashtag so that I can see your creations. And as per usual, I will add everyone's videos to a playlist for everyone to watch and reflect back on and save and cherish and all the things, you know, what you do with a playlist. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see what you guys make. I hope you have a lot of fun with this challenge. All the other details that are relevant, which are, I'm pretty sure I said, will be in the description box below, because inevitably you guys always ask me. You do not have to make junk journal ephemera. I'm going to be making ephemera. You can make things. If you're making a thing, you're kind of on the right track. So that means that you can take photographs, you can paint, you can write a poem. I will accept all of those sort of things. You can draw your prompts out if that's something you're into. You can make little tiny clay figurines, and that will also be acceptable. The idea is to make something with this challenge, so yeah, go for making a thing as opposed to doing a thing, and it'll probably go by. If you have any questions on what I would say was like acceptable for this challenge, you can always reach out and message me. All my socials and stuff are linked down below. So there's definitely a bunch of ways to contact me. You can also email me. That's also down below, and I will definitely let you know if you have any questions. So yeah, I think that's all the relevance. So I'm going to jump off here and get to crafting so that we have some videos to watch. And yeah, come back on the 26th and let's see what we get into. Until next time, guys, happy crafting. I appreciate your faces, and I can't wait to see you for Fanguary on the 26th. Goodbye.